Hi, I'm your Excel buddy here, and in this video we are going to see how to work with data. Again, working for data for its presentation and for some other functions which we are going to use. So, without any further introduction, I would just jump into the discussion and then we'll come to know exactly what I was talking about. So, here I go. Let us say these are some names with me. I have created their user IDs for their mail accounts, let us say, and I want to create their passwords. Now, those passwords need to be a combination of, say, their first name and their employee ID. This is where we are going to use our first example, the function which I was going to talk about. That is left and right. Let us say I want to create the password as first three letters of the first name and last three digits of the employee ID. That means for this person it should be ANI601, right? Okay, but I cannot afford to do this one by one for all the employees, so I will try to look out for something which helps me do that smoothly. So here I go. I say equals. Of course, as for function we all know we have to put an equal sign, and here I choose left. This will give you the letters or digits out of whatever reference value you give to the extent you declare. So I open parentheses to see further what all are the requirements, and here I go. Where do I want to pick this from? I say from this particular cell. So as you all know, in text we can even give text in quotes or reference as we have just given. Putting a comma, I say we have to pick 3 characters from left, and I close parentheses and I'm done. So you can see first 3 letters are picked up. Now I'll just replace this, I'll just rather delete it, and now we'll try to see how we can pick the last 3 digits from my employee ID. So as you would have already made it out, we go equals right this time because we have to pick last 3. So open parentheses, I select the reference text, comma 3. I close parentheses and hit enter. So you can see I can pick 601. And simply now, okay, deleting this again. Now we can come back and apply the concatenating function or the formula for concatenating texts, which we have already discussed. So here I go, equals, I say left, open parentheses, from this text pick up 3 characters, close parentheses, and to further extend this I put an ampersand sign here, which is of course the sign for concatenating texts. And now I say right, open parentheses, from this particular cell, comma, put 3 digits from the right, close parentheses, and I hit enter. So you can see here we get the combination of first 3 from left from first name and last 3 from employee ID. And now simply when I drag and drop it, I am done. So this was all about the left and right function. Now coming to the next part, that is the presentation part of our data. Many a time we see that the data is given in lower case, but we have to get the output in upper cases. How do we do that? So it's again very simple. It is as easy as I said it right now. What do I have to do? I have to change this all in uppercase, right? So I go ahead and I say equals upper, open parentheses, this one, close parentheses, and you see I am done. I drag it down and everything goes there in uppercase. So it was as simple. Now assuming I have this data in uppercase. Now I want to convert in lowercase. So again, it is the similar way, equals lower, open parentheses, give the reference, close parentheses, and you see, you're done. Everything in lowercase. Now, at times we need, in case of course, first name and last name, where the first letter of every word should be capital. That is in case of proper nouns, of course. Like here, Anil and Singh, we have to have both A and S to be in capitals. So how to do that? For that, of course, as we got a hint, it is a feature of proper nouns. So here we have a word proper. I open parentheses. Let us say I select this one, and you can see only A will remain capital, rest all will go smalls. There you are. And in case of this, where everything was in smalls, I'll apply the same formula, that is equals proper, open parentheses, and this close parentheses, and you can see again A becomes capital, rest all remains small. So this is how we can choose these functions according to our requirements, that is upper, lower, or proper. So that was it for this video. I hope it would have helped. Thank you.